3 has not even had a week to relish its victories, and that's because it's been dethroned by Anthropic's Claude 3.7 Sonnet and Claude Code, two new models released by Anthropic today, and both of them are, guess what, smarter than the competition. Grok 3 is it wins in a few things, but Claude 3.7 Sonnet has been crowned the new AI king. And Claude 3.7 Sonnet killed 2 companies, or 102 companies, with one model. And that is, it also destroyed OpenAI, as OpenAI is releasing their 4.5 this week. But, well, Claude 3.7 is said to be smarter than that model, and it also destroyed, 100 other startups. It just blew them up at this point. So, as you can see, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, its main focus was coding, to be better in coding. So that's why here we can see all the other things are around the 49-50 mark, but then this is a whole 62.3, and it can even reach 70.3 accuracy if it's given the right conditions. As you can see here, agentic tool use. Also, it goes high, and for like buying things, it beats both of them. It beats both of them here. And this part is, well, it's not the most important. It's mostly just like maths, instruction following, that sort of stuff. If you want to see it, just pause it here to check. Grok 3 does beat a few of them here. But another part of Claude 3.7 Sonnet is the extended thinking. Claude 3.7 Sonnet is free, but only the no extended thinking, or the reasoning part. But if you pay, you will get the extended thinking and extended reasoning models, which are, well, the better. It adds reasoning capabilities, and it basically obliterates the no extended reasoning thinking part. And it also will give you priority if there is a lot of use on the API. But after that, we've looked at Claude 3.7 Sonnet. I will also make a few demonstrations, but let's come and look at this Claude Code. As I said, they are looking for Claude 3.7 Sonnet is mainly based on coding use, or that. Claude Code is an agent built using Claude 3.7 and is extraordinarily smart. I haven't though used it yet. I am talking on what I've seen. This is the thing. It's basically in GitHub's Anthropics /Claude Code, and we will be using Claude 3.7 and Claude Code to create a really good program. So now that we've reached the end of this pretty long blog, let's start looking. Okay, so I have opened up Claude, and I am on the professional plan, which means I can ask to use extended reasoning. But first, let's use the normal reasoning model. And let's start off by asking it something I think will be pretty simple, a few questions of trivia. So, when was the last FIFA World Cup? No, actually, let's do something different. How about who won, India or Pakistan? Who won, India or Pakistan? In the Champions League match yesterday? Oh, well, I mean 2 days ago. 2 days ago. I spelled everything correct. So that is not really good. It shows that Claude 3.7 does not have access to the internet, which it's kind of a big L, to be honest. Seeing as, let's open up ChatGPT. ChatGPT, Grok, all of those things are easily, they have this thing, the search feature. If Claude does add it in, then it will be pretty good. But now that we've given it a small trivia question, let's get into the real stuff. I'm talking coding help, seeing as that was the main focus. So I'm going to where's the button? Here's the button to create a new chat. There we go. And I'm going to say help me build a game from Pygame that is very fun. I did not spell any of that right. Build a game from Pygame that is very fun. I will help you with nothing. And I'm actually just going to copy this, seeing as I will give it for the reasoning model. But for now, there we go. It's not a lot of information, but a space shooter game, if he can do that in this much time, then that will be pretty smart. But as of now, yeah, we wait. He does seem to be doing very well. And hang on, while we wait for that, let's come here and install Claude Code. As I said, I have not used Claude Code yet, so let's just look at this. Okay, so what it says is we have to copy this. Let me get the terminal out. So terminal. Boom, boom. Oh, it's here. It says navigate to, let me just click enter. Okay, and now while that loads, we can come back to look on this. Okay, it has completed. So, is there any copy? There we go, copy. And let's come over. Why is everything opening on this side? Let's come here and let's paste. Let me just zoom in a little and run. There we go. It should instead just open up a small window around here. Oh, and we're getting a few errors. But as I said with this, no, that's just one of my copying errors. My copy and paste is so bad, it didn't even copy and paste. Let's now rerun this. And while they do that, I'm quickly just going to look through this. It looks like a... Whoa. Okay, let me guess. Okay, this is good. I mean, that's one way to put it. Oh, maybe the stars could be gone. They hurt my eyes. So let's come over to Claude and let's ask, make the moving stars stop moving. And as for he took 3 minutes, and to be honest, if I was asked, I might actually just play this game. It is pretty fun. Hang on, I do want to check if this, nope, nothing. Okay, so nope, I'll just Control A, Control V. Wow, this is 331 lines of code. I still don't believe that. Somebody should actually make a chart of how, okay, he did as I wanted. And, oh wait, you can actually move forward. Okay, I'm going to tell him to stop that from happening. But I've tried making games in Pygame. They aren't this easy. Like, this, what he did is, like, kind of awesome, to be honest. And I will be believing that it's randomized. So, I'm just gonna give him my last piece of advice. And, I mean, look at this thing. It is fun. So, let's type into him, remove ability to move up and down. I am making these so dead of a prompt. If you give this a big real prompt, what? Oh, he's already done. Okay, let's copy that. Come here, Control A, Control V. And I will do this. And I am clicking the up arrow. I cannot move this. So, yeah. Actually, I think this is a pretty good game. For me, it would have taken me probably like a long time to make something like this. And the fact that he, like, Claude included so many things. It's almost as if this was the thinking model. It thought for itself. Like, I did not tell it to add a cooldown to these bullets. It just did. It thought of doing it by itself using its own brain. So, yeah, this is, well, yeah. Now I'm going to just create a new chat. And this time we're going to add in extended. This is, oh, I did not need that. Okay, let me just come up here. Yeah. Copy that thing. Control C. Make a new chat. Control V. But give this the extended thinking mode. This is what you get when you pay. This is the paid part. Okay. It's thinking. It is thinking for, okay, 5 seconds, and it's also chose to make a shooter game. But control a spaceship, shoot enemies, and try to survive. Kind of similar to what we have here, not going to lie, but yeah, this is probably gonna be different, seeing as this is definitely already 10 times more code. So hold up, let's come over here. There we go. Claude is there, and now whilst you wait for that, let's come here. Navigate to your project directory and run Claude. So I complete the one time. Okay. That's all boring. I will do that after this Claude. Okay, yay. Copy the code into a Python file, blah blah blah. Left, right arrow keys to move, spacebar to shoot, auto restart. That seems pretty simple. Let's come in over, Control A, Control V. I did not need that. Run this. And let us see. Okay. I can't help but feel that these are very similar in their aspects. I mean, it's literally using probably the same color scheme even. So, I'm going to ask it to adapt. It has to... Oh, what's this? Okay. It's... Yeah, literally, I think the other one was better at this point. So, I'm going to say... Make it out of whatever, but make it mega super duper complex and fun. I wrote super duper, so it has to make it extremely complex and extremely fun. But now, okay. Mega super Did I write Fupa? Okay, I wrote Fupa. Why? Why does he even have to hold up? I think I can do that to make it a little bit better. Yeah. It said Super Fupa. You know, I'm actually so good at this. I should have a world record for the best typing abilities ever. Well, I think he has... Wait, let's check how many lines of code. He wrote 382, which I think is 80 more. Okay, while we wait, is it done yet? Oh, it still isn't done. Okay. Sound files not found. There was sound in here. Okay, now that's taking its time, so I will... yeah, I'm gonna play this game. To be honest, I think the other one was better. It was more fun, you know. This one's kind of a slow-paced game. And to be honest, that just comes down to preference at this point. So, yeah, I'm basically just gonna sit here and spam. Okay, now I'm too lazy. Please say it is done. I mean, I did ask for it to be super... My gosh. Still not finished. What even is it building this out of? Pygame. It's using JSON. And with this. Okay, so something tells me maybe I could have kept the duper out of there. Just mega super fun. Yeah, this is gonna take some time. So let's just wait now, I guess. Don't have a lot of other things to do. Oh, wait, I just remembered. Let's open up our terminal and do cd d drive : YouTube channel. There we go. Now apparently we just meant to type in Claude. And this is meant to... Okay. I'm not gonna look at that. But here we go. Claude Code Research Preview. Now we have this. Light text, dark text, light text, okay. One problem. How am I meant to use this? So let's just quickly come here and check if it is done. You know what? I'm just gonna copy it. I'm just gonna scroll to the bottom. Okay, scroll to the bottom. And yes, he is still adding code. Okay, let's come over to the documentation and give me a second to speed read. What? Yeah. Didn't understand any of that. So I'm just going to say, maybe if I do Claude main.py, it'll do something. I don't know, maybe. Okay. If I do Claude/config, as it's saying here, and I click enter. Okay, yeah. Something tells me this Claude code thing isn't what's the word? Complete. And is this complete? No, it is not. Okay, you know what, guys? I'll be right back as soon as this completes. I probably shouldn't have said mega super duper, but I mean, it did it. So, yeah, be right back. Okay, so it almost half completed, but Claude hit the max length for a message. You can write continue, so continue. I actually hope this doesn't change this, because I mean, dang, that's a lot of code. So yeah, he's gonna continue building this behemoth of games. Okay, so yeah, when he finishes this thing, then I'll be right back. Okay, so after like 10 minutes, 10 whole minutes, it finally finished. So let me just come here, copy that, and come here, Control A, Control V, and go down, click this, scroll, drag all the way up, and I hope I'm copying. No, I'm not copying. Oh wait, I forgot about that. Here we go, and then I think just Control V. Oh, so there's only this thing here. I just hope that this is correct. I'm going to just ask it. Oh my days, that number there is insane. Let's come over here and let's ask, are you finished? And let's see. Oh, why did I turn on reasoning for this thing? No. Oh, he still needs to, okay. Yeah, this is gonna, okay, be right back as soon as, as soon as this is over. Okay, so I've already copied it and pasted it inside of here, and yeah, but this is 4,000 lines of code plus. I really hope my laptop can bear that, but first, I need to pinpoint the locations of these errors. So, def apply damage to weak point. Okay. These are def apply damage to weak point. Distance equals. Okay, give me a second to just edit this so that this thing actually works. And the reason I'm not going to ask it is because, well, I mean, look at this thing. It's a behemoth in itself. Tab. There we go. Apply damage to weak points. And enemies is not defined. Let me just do Control F. Enemies. Not enemies. 69 use cases, and answer, there's a lot of them. So, fire. Let's see, do they use enemies in here? Okay, this is almost hurting me looking at this thing of how big it is. I mean, that seems to be normal. So what if I just put right here global enemies? Okay. So I seriously can't look through all of this code. It looks like a behemoth. And no, I did not say that again. Oh, come on. I don't even know what it built at this point. Okay, it literally has loading and saving of player data. That almost angers me at this point. Except generate starfield. This hurts. This literally hurts. Okay, wait. Let me close the particle system because I don't need to see that. I do not need to see the game state or the weapon type, but here, enemy type, and I don't even know what enum is at this point. Oh, nope, I don't need to see enemy type, I need to see power-up type, or ship type, or achievement, difficulty, load player data, save player data, music, generate star field, font, screen shake, bullet ship. What is this? What has this thing made? I literally want to know that. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna run this. I really hope it just works to a limited amount. Start game. Arrow keys to navigate, enter to select. Press enter key to start. Okay. Okay, so apart from the error that we just got, what did that thing just build? Because if I'm not wrong, that was a very good thing. It has basically left me lost for words at this point. Let me see, line 42,300. I'm scrolling down at the speed of light. I don't know if you guys can actually hear my scroll wheel scrolling. Don't want to damage my mouse. Let me just, here we go. Line 4,230. Enemy dot apply damage to weak point. Okay, now I have to find that. So I'm just gonna here, Control F, and that's, here we go. And what's wrong with it? Oh, now I see what's wrong with it. Shift tab, and now I have to go down all the way to a Shift tab. Please say that worked. I do not think so. What? Tab? Oh, nope, that works. Okay, so now that that's working, I need to see this thing again, because I mean, ship selection, scout the destroyer. They literally have like, okay, B to go back, tutorial. Arrow key is a WASD, shoot, left shift to use special ability, escape to pause game. There's tons of shit. The red one, blue one, yellow one, cyan, purple, orange, green, light blue, gold, pink. Okay, the kamikaze. That's some Japanese sacrifice thing. Bosses, defeat bosses by targeting. Oh my days. Let's check out the settings. Music, particles, screen shake, show FPS. I need to yeah. I need to play this thing. Oh. Why? Why did it have to have Fuper in the name? It was just one. Okay, my shield is powering up, I think. Okay, okay. I'm taking damage. This is hard. Okay, this is actually hard. Yes, I destroyed my enemy. Oh, and now I'm about to be bombarded. Okay, one thing they should do is make this game easier, because yes, I don't know what happened. Maybe I collected a power-up, and now left shift for special ability. That looked good. Left shift. Okay. Now something this is great if I'm able to say that at this point, because I'm just surprised. You know, I can't say that much, but I am very surprised. Like, when I say very surprised, I actually mean it. Creating this would have taken ages, years, months, days, quintuple hours of my life that would have just been wasted. But I can't lie, I would actually play this game during my free time for pleasure. The only problem is it's a bit hard to shoot these guys, because to do that you have to get in their way and then they shoot you. But if you just spam, then yeah. Okay, this isn't a channel where I play games. This is a channel in where we make these things. I don't know what this part was either. Yeah, what to do here? But not my problem. It still works, and I'm still in shock. I still kind of want to see it. It literally has saved data. Like, if that isn't big, then I don't know what is. I actually kind of want to play this game right now, like, very badly. But for now, I think let's check this. Credits, high score, ships unlocked, achievements. Okay, I'm not going to tamper with the game. I'm not a cheater. See, I told you I wouldn't cheat. Just wanna see if this thing it actually works. Okay, now no time. I don't have enough time to do this. Let's go into the second part of this thing, Claude code, which oh yeah, hint hint, it doesn't work. But seriously, Claude is insane. Claude 3.7 is insane. It took it like 10 minutes, but in 10 minutes to build this thing, I think that paying, how much is it, $20? Let me check. That I was just watching YouTube there while I was waiting, but Claude pricing. Let's look at the Claude pricing. And because seriously, $18. $18 for that. This is a powerhouse. Claude 3.7 is, I mean, even on the free version, it's still a big thing. It's obliterating Grok 3. Who knows, it might obliterate ChatGPT 4.5. It's just gonna cook. I can't lie, it will cook. 99.99%. So, you really need to get this Claude thing. Or maybe not, because who knows? ChatGPT 4.5 could come. It could then be the next big thing. ChatGPT 5 could be the next big thing. But for now, first it was DeepSeek. No, first it was OpenAI as king. Then it became DeepSeek. Then Grok. Now Anthropic. And who knows? Maybe it might be ChatGPT again. OpenAI. But for now, Anthropic has been crowned king. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Goodbye.